Have you ever tried repeating affirmations, hoping they'd make a difference, but then nothing happened? Like, you're saying these positive things, but deep down, it feels like nothing's changing? Well, you're definitely not alone. Most people are actually missing a key piece when they try to use affirmations, and today I'm going to show you exactly what that is. We're talking about the secret to writing affirmations that actually work. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make affirmations that feel real, stick in your mind, and start reprogramming your thoughts for real change. Before we jump in, if you're into learning practical, life-changing tips like this, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your experiences with affirmations. The common mistake. So, here's the first big thing that most people get wrong with affirmations. They make them too vague or too out there. You know, like saying, I am rich or I am successful, when in reality, you're still figuring things out. And if you're not already somewhat close to that reality, it just feels like a huge leap, right? Think about it. If you're saying, I am a billionaire, while struggling with bills, your mind kind of goes, nope, not buying it. And that's where things fall apart. Imagine telling yourself, I am a billionaire, when you're worried about making rent. It just doesn't click, does it? Your mind sees it as a lie, which means that affirmations' impact is zero. The goal with affirmations isn't to convince yourself of something outrageous, but to shift your mindset gradually toward a place you can actually believe in. The power of believability. Alright, so here's the secret sauce. Your affirmation has to be believable enough for your mind to accept it. Instead of jumping to, I am a billionaire, try something like, I am becoming more financially secure every day. That's something your mind can actually start to believe, and it feels like progress rather than a stretch. Think of it this way. If you're building a bridge between where you are and where you want to be, words like I am becoming or I am learning are like stepping stones. They make that gap smaller so you can cross it with confidence. Here's a quick tip. Using words like I am becoming or I am learning keeps things feeling real and achievable. So instead of I am confident, try I am becoming more confident every day. It feels more natural, right? And it's much easier for your mind to connect with that. The power of specificity. All right, let's talk about another game changer, specificity. The more specific your affirmation, the easier it is for your mind to grab onto it. Saying something like, I am happy is fine, but it's pretty vague. Your mind doesn't really know what happy even means in that context. Instead, try something like, I am finding joy in my work and relationships every day. Now we're talking. You're giving your mind a clear picture of what happiness looks like for you, and it starts to feel more real. So here's another tip. Make it personal to your situation. Let's say you want to build confidence. Instead of a general, I am confident, make it specific to something that's part of your day, like I am becoming more confident when I speak up in meetings. Now that's something your mind can actually picture. Adding emotion to your affirmations. Now here's where we take things up a notch. Emotion. Your mind is way more likely to remember something if there's emotion attached to it. If an affirmation feels flat and you're just saying it without any feeling, it's not going to stick. Think of it this way. The affirmations that resonate are the ones that stir something in you. So if you're just saying, I am calm, it might not hit home. But if you say, I feel calm and at ease in challenging situations, it adds that emotional layer, right? You're actually feeling it as you say it. Quick tip, add I feel to your affirmations. Instead of just I am confident, try I feel confident and self-assured when I speak. That little adjustment makes a huge difference because it shifts your affirmation from words to experience, creating a routine. All right, now let's talk about consistency. Even the best, most powerful affirmation needs time to take root. You wouldn't go to the gym once and expect to be fit, right? Same goes for affirmations. Consistency is key here. Try to find a routine that makes affirmations a natural part of your day. This could be first thing in the morning, right before bed, or even while you're having your coffee. One simple way to stick with it is to tie your affirmations to something you already do every day. Like, every time you brush your teeth, take a minute to go over your affirmations. Or maybe when you're making coffee, say them to yourself. Linking them to a habit you already have makes it easier to stay consistent. Secret formula. All right, so here's the formula you've been waiting for. If you want affirmations that actually work, make them believable, specific, emotion-filled, and consistent. That's it. When you combine all these elements, you're creating affirmations that your mind can accept, relate to, and remember. Remember, affirmations are tools. They're not magic spells that instantly change everything, but with the right approach, they can be powerful for reprogramming your mind. The more personal, believable, and emotion-filled your affirmations are, the faster they'll work for you. So, go ahead, take a few minutes to rewrite your affirmations using these tips and see how it feels. You'll be surprised at the impact of these small changes. Keep at it and watch your mind start to shift in ways you never imagined. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your new affirmations feel.